everybody. My name's Chad Hancock. I'm 33 years old, and I'm just sharing a little bit about my story. I've been a Christian since I was about 8 years old. I actually prayed to receive Christ at my Aunt Grace's house. Isn't that crazy? But I've been a Christian so now for well, not too many years, but a long time, and grown here and there. I've gotten off the right track several times, and God has always brought me back. Crazy. I went to school to be a nurse, and I had great ideas of what I wanted to do with my life, and then God kind of turned all that around. I'm actually a youth pastor now, so I just want to say be open to God's leading, to His calling, because He's got something very special for your life. And this is where I stand today, 33 years old. I'm working with teenagers. Who knows where I'm going to be tomorrow or the next week or the next year. But God is good. He's in control, and you will not be let down. You will not be disappointed if you choose to trust Him. So go for it.